Hi everyone. Welcome to Ningbo Colorido. You may have heard of us before, but today, I want to show you firsthand how those vibrant digitally printed socks are born from our factory and reach the world. We've been in this industry for over a decade. To put it simply, we mainly do two things. First, we build the machines. Look, this is our production workshop. Every sock printer you see, from its core components to the complete assembly, is meticulously crafted here, bit by bit. We're not just a simple assembly plant, our dedication to technology is ingrained in our very being. Secondly, we use our own manufactured machines to produce socks. We have our own printing production line, which means we are both sellers of tools and those who use those tools to do the work. This allows us to better understand our customers' needs. After all, we are constantly thinking about the same problems you encounter. So, no matter if your socks are made of cotton, nylon, wool, or bamboo fiber, we can make sure the pattern prints on them beautifully and securely. Moreover, digital printing is incredibly flexible. There are no minimum order quantities, you can print even just one pair. No complicated plate making is needed, design your image today, and you can get a sample tomorrow. This is especially friendly for many people starting a business or wanting to offer personalized customization. Because everyone's situation is different, we've prepared different equipment. For example, this 4-station big guy is designed for daily mass production, it's extremely efficient. This dual-station printer offers excellent value for money, it doesn't require a large workspace and can print socks of any length. There's also this single-arm one, which is perfect for beginners or designers to use for prototyping. It doesn't require much investment and is extremely flexible. Our goal is to help you find the most suitable solution, regardless of your size. So come check out Colorido in Ningbo. We believe that good equipment combined with reliable partners will lead to a more stable and sustainable business.